Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Skoda Enyaq, a fully electric SUV that combines practicality, premium design, and next-gen technology, all at an accessible price point. Skoda is stepping up its EV game big time. And in this video, we're going to check out the stunning new design, explore its futuristic interior, see what tech it's packing, and of course, take it for a drive. Let's get into it. The 2025 Enyaq looks sharper than ever. Skoda's updated crystal face grille now lights up beautifully, especially at night. You've got slim LED matrix headlights, bold body lines, and Aero Focus 19 to 21-inch alloys. Step inside and you're greeted with Skoda's signature spaciousness. The cabin is airy, minimal, and eco-conscious, using recycled materials and sustainable fabrics. The massive 13-inch touchscreen takes center stage, backed up by a sleek digital cockpit. Plus, there's wireless phone charging, customizable ambient lighting, and even a clever hidden umbrella in the door. The Enyaq comes loaded with tech, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, voice assistant, and a new Skoda Connect app which lets you control climate, check battery status, or even schedule charging remotely. And yes, there's a full 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, and Level 2 autonomous driving features in select trims. You've got multiple battery options for the 2025 Enyaq, from the entry-level 60 with around 250 miles, 400 kilometers, range to the top-spec 85X with up to 340 miles, 550 kilometers on a single charge. Safety-wise, Skoda hasn't held back. You get all the essentials: lane assist, adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and emergency braking. It's a 5-star safety package wrapped in style. Pricing for the 2025 Skoda Enyaq starts around €39,000 / 34,000 pounds and climbs depending on battery size, drivetrain, and options. But compared to its rivals, it offers seriously good value. So there you have it. The 2025 Skoda Enyaq is stylish, spacious, and seriously smart. It's the kind of EV that makes the switch from petrol feel easy and exciting. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more awesome car reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you consider the Enyaq as your next EV? See you in the next one.